Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the SmartyMe Daily Microlearning app. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that helps you learn something every day. So for example, you choose self-growth, not scrolling. So instead of scrolling on Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook, you can open this app up and learn more. So you can learn communication skills, the personal development, happiness, and a lot more. So you can boost your intelligence, confidence from this app. However, the one red flag this app has is it does have a subscription, and not a lot of people are having troubles with the subscription. As you can see from the 1 star, blah blah blah, better value for money. Other apps are better value. I tried using the app. Sponsored ad when I signed up they showed false information about the trial. Scam, fraud. I would give 0 stars if I could. And right here also they are rated 1.2 out of 5 stars here on Trustpilot, which is bad. As you can see, a lot of people are having troubles for the charging or the subscription plan. I couldn't make an account. It's a scam. Terrible recurring charges. Has anyone gotten a refund? Absolute garbage. This is a scam. Unauthorized charge. And right here also, this person posted, SmartyMe app is a scam. So this person looked it up on Whois and how to get a refund. I'm telling the bank all of this. I'm so happy I found this. They almost got me, and a lot more. So please refrain from using this app. It is very clearly a scam. There are a lot of apps like this on the Play Store or the Google Store that will charge you without any authorization. So please do your research before downloading or investing or buying a subscription from apps like these. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.